The next thing that we're going to do is move along to removing all of our lug nuts and then the wheel. Now with the wheel out of the way, we have a nice clear view of our inner and our outer tie rod end. The next thing that we need to do is break free our jam nut. That's this area right here. Now let's remove our outer tie rod end nut. I'm just going to take that nut, start it on there a few good threads, and then we'll carefully take our hammer and give it a couple loving bonks. Or one. Remove the tie rod from the knuckle. Let's put some locking pliers on our inner tie rod end to prevent it from spinning. After that, let's remove our tie rod and count the amount of turns it takes to remove it and write that number down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've got 16 turns. I'm going to write it down. Your number could be different. Now it's time to put on our outer tie rod end. Make sure as you're doing this, you're counting the turns so it matches up as when you removed it originally. 16. All right, now we can take our jam nut. We're just going to go ahead and put it right up against the outer tie rod end. Take the outer tie rod end and put it into the knuckle. Now let's put on our nut, we'll snug it up and then torque it to 37 foot-pounds. Make sure your jam nut's nice and tight, and then make sure the tie rod is sitting parallel to the ground. Okay friends, that job's in the books. What's left to do now? Take it for a road test down to your local alignment shop.